this question, we will be solving for the final velocities of the balls using the derived formula from the conservation of momentum and kinetic energy equation. So we have our for 0.170 kilogram ball, we have V1F is equal to M1 minus M2 divided by M1 plus M2 V1I. Our M1 is the 0.170 minus 0.155 kilogram divided by 0.170 plus 0.155 kilogram times the V1I of 4 meters per second. So our V1F is equal